And so we're going to add enough flour to make like a paste. I'm going to whisk this in. There's no way to measure this because it's just by sight. Just depends on how many drippings you have. It looks good right there. We're going to let this cook out for a minute, cook the flour out. Scrape up the brown bits. Put this flour down. Now we're going to add stock. Now, if you don't have stock, you can add chicken stock from a carton. You can add water if you don't have any kind of stock. Okay. Time to whisk again. Scraping from the sides and from the bottom. And over medium heat. And just keep stirring and scraping off the bottom. All the flavor is in those little bits that cooked onto the bottom of that pan. Keep whisking it now and then. Keep the lumps out. Add some pepper. I'm not going to add any salt until I taste it. We'll see how thick it gets once it starts boiling. It might need some more stock. Let me taste it. So good. Does not need anything, which always amazes me. Now that we have the stock, we can make gravy anytime, even with just butter, without the drippings. I'll show you that in another video sometime, how to do that. We just use butter instead of the pan drippings, and add flour and make a roux. Cook it out a little bit and add stock. You can make gravy any time like that out of just about anything. Just box chicken stock, butter and flour. Okay. I think that's good, guys. Gravy. Okay, everybody. We did it. Thanksgiving dinner. It makes me so happy to bring these recipes to you. I hope that you try them. I hope you enjoy them. I hope you see how easy they were. This is basically what I make every year. And just these few dishes here is plenty for you to share with your family, and they will love it. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. You can comment below. Thank you so much for dropping by. I so appreciate it. I hope that I have earned your subscription. And if you're already a subscriber, I hope I've given you some value in sharing my recipes with you. Remember, when you cook something homemade or semi-homemade for someone you love, it really shows that you care. And if I can do it, you can do it. And that's for sure. I mean, you guys saw step by step how I did each one of these. It's easy. And Thanksgiving doesn't have to be hard, right? I'm gonna make a plate and then I'll do a taste real quick, okay? All right, guys, thanks. Probably not gonna tell a story tonight. It's been a long day. But it's been fun. Thanksgiving's my most favorite time of year. I love it. Okay, let's give this a taste. I think I need a knife. Try this turkey and gravy. I think Thanksgiving's made for gravy. Mmm. Mmm. Why do we only do this once a year? I don't get it. So good. Mm. Gravy is perfect. I didn't add any salt. I just added a little pepper. So good. Mashed potatoes, perfect. I don't peel my potatoes. Never have. You can peel yours if you want. I'm not peeling mine. In some dishes I do, but mashed potatoes usually I don't. Mm. Dressing. Guys, you've got to try that. Please, it's so good. And it all tastes so much better with the cranberries, fresh cranberries. And I like that they have a little bit of bite to them. There's still some pieces of cranberry in there. Mm. It's tart and sweet. And then the green bean casserole. I mean, you've got to have that at Thanksgiving. Mm. Perfect. One more bite of turkey. Mm. So good. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you're surrounded with friends and family. And I hope you all share what you're grateful for. I am grateful for this channel and for you. This is a new endeavor for me, a new challenge. I've thought about doing it for years, but I finally decided to get brave enough to try it. I'm technically challenged, but I figure it out, and that's why we have bloopers. Anyway, thank you so much for coming. Try this, let me know how you like it, and I'll see you guys next time, okay? All right, pies are coming. All right, thanks. Bye. Must be Thanksgiving because I'm sweating and my back hurts. So it's got to be Thanksgiving. That's what Thanksgiving's for. Great. I can't get over how juicy it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. It's late here. I don't have my wine. Wait. Okay, I'm done.